Here are the new Brembo brake shoes. Obviously, compare the amount of abrasive material there compared to this one. So those are the new shoes, and here's like a spring kit, so we can replace all of that too. So yeah, that'll put all the handbrake assembly back together, and then obviously we've got new discs and pads as well. So yeah, pretty much the whole rear discs assemblies are basically going to be rebuilt with new stuff. So yeah, should be good. Another couple of days and going over it again. It's just taken forever to get this paint off. Yeah, some of it's come off and some of it hasn't. So we'll stick it out, put some more on. Waited a couple of days. Well, wait another couple of days. I do have some parts. I've got the brake shoes are in, the springs and the clips, etc., to hold the caliper back, to hold it all back together again. They're in. Still waiting for, or still investigating actually, the cylinder repair kits. See whether, I've found some that are like ridiculous prices and others that are, I don't know, can't guarantee that they're the right one. So currently working on that, and yeah, I've also bought some spray cans. So yeah, hopefully within the next few, well, I will have the parts before next week, not this week. This week I'm going to SantaPod to watch the drag racing and the jet cars and all that kind of crazy stuff. So if you've got any spare time, I would definitely recommend you go down to SantaPod this weekend.
it.
Supercharged,
Come on, Jiggy.
4.2 supercharged. I beat that in America, I think.
#1 qualifier. My man is on the Audi.
Number account yesterday around 1870. Taking over Japan with the Jaguars. Inside the heart. Amazing technology. Brilliant design, great engineering, and now Graham is pretty much set for the run. Graham crouched down over the bike, he will dip his head, and when he gives us a nod, a SantaPod countdown from 5 to 1, and then we let Graham go. He's just inching up to the beams now. You've never seen anything like this. If you weren't here yesterday, you've seen the bike for the first time. Here we go then. Graham, we're just looking for the nod as he gets into position. Join with me in the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once again.
If you ever get a chance to go to somewhere like SantaPod you know, the jet cars and the top fuel dragsters are just amazing. You know, the motorcyclist is just mad. But yeah, I would thoroughly recommend it. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Cheers, bye.